Okay guys, One Key Car Garage here, part 3 and final segment to removal and replacement of the fenders on the 2008 Lexus ES 350. So, crime scene here. That's what we got off, and that's it right there. That's our fitment. These aftermarket parts, you have to work with them a bit, but we got it done. We're gonna go on the other side. Okay, right here, there's a secret bolt or screw you got to remove here, and there's a screw that goes in here. These rivets here just pop out, but that screw, you're gonna need to remove that. It's a Phillips head, and that removes the panel here from the body of the vehicle and gives you access to the bolt under here, so you can drop this a lot easier. Little scratches here on it, but overall was not a bad install at all. I was trying to get that section beat out a little bit. It was dented way further in, so got that almost straight, but that's the other side right there, the passenger side, and same thing. One thing to remember, something we learned here is on the new panels, you need to remove the grommets here and put them on the new panels, so you're able to drive the screw and fasten the screws onto the body of the vehicle, and that gives you maintain the fitment. But overall, guys, not bad. It's just miscolored now, but it's a lot straighter than it was before, and we should be ready for paint pretty soon. And that's it. All the bolts, the body bolts and all that stuff were pretty much 10mm bolts, so you just need one size really. You need a prying tool to get your paneling off, and we're good to go. Like I said, with the aftermarket fitment here, I had to pry and kind of play with it a little bit to get it straight, but for the most part it was pretty much good to go. All right guys, again, that's us signing off here, and another successful install. At least we have both fenders matching. But next step is to get it to paint and have the paint redone. All right guys, have a good one.